I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing your environment and taking the first actionable steps. First, install Node, JS LTS and confirm npm works. This gives you the runtime and package manager. Next, install the Firebase CLI globally and run Firebase login so you can authenticate. Once done, pick or create the exact Firebase project in the console and identify your web app's public folder or build output. Now run Firebase init hosting and follow prompts to select project and public directory so you kick off configuration. You'll now configure hosting and prepare your site for deployment. During Firebase init, choose hosting, select the project, and set the public directory to your build folder. If it's a single-page app, accept the index. HTML rewrite, then run your build command like npm run build so the files populate that folder. Once built, confirm Firebase. JSON has correct headers and rewrites. This controls caching and routes. If you want continuous deployments, set up the provided GitHub Actions workflow so pushing to main triggers deploys automatically. You'll finish by deploying and validating the live site. Run Firebase deploy only hosting. You'll get a live URL. Open it and test main pages, dynamic routes, and static assets. Make sure caching behaves as expected. If stale content appears, clear your browser cache or adjust cache control headers in Firebase. JSON. If deployment fails, serve locally with Firebase Serve to reproduce the issue and inspect error messages. Also verify you selected the correct project and that your CLI token is current. One tip, check console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.